Hello friends, welcome to NEET World. Myself Abhilash, Mathematics faculty for EAP set, K set and JEE. So today we will be continuing with differentiability. Okay, so but before that, one important message which I gave already in the last class. Again I am going to reiterate that. So we are having a Telegram group. At the end of the class or in the description you can see the Telegram link, that is the Telegram link to our group. So what is the benefits by joining our Telegram group that you will get? So first thing is you will get daily quizzes, subject wise quizzes you will get for be it biology, chemistry, physics, maths, okay, based on whether you are BPC stream or MPC stream. And for KSET students you can use for all PCMB if you are PCMB students. Now coming to live class schedules, that is what are the classes that we are going to take each day, you will get it in advance, that is about the live class schedule, and also you will be getting free resources about our class notes, everything, okay, all the important updates regarding all the upcoming exams, and also the free resources which will be providing from NEET World that will be provided to you for both BPC and also MPC students. And one important thing is one-on-one doubt solving session with the faculty. Suppose you join the Telegram group, what will happen is, suppose in the class, okay, something you didn't understand, that doubt you can post it in the group and get it clarified directly from the faculty who is teaching on YouTube for you, okay, highly reputed faculty who will be teaching to you, same faculty will clarify your doubts. So that's the one of the biggest advantage by joining the Telegram group. For also for any enquiry you can call in this number or you can log into NEET World and put your queries, okay. That's it about when it comes to Telegram group. It's a highly important message, please keep it in mind and please join the Telegram group to avail maximum benefits of our classes. So this is done. Next I would like to inform again about our trademark courses. So there is some modification which or some improvisation which I would like to tell you when it comes to our courses. One is NEET long term course which is going to start from 20 May, that is 1st March, 28 May, that is first batch, and also coming to 1st June, that is second batch is going to start, okay, second batch is going to start from 1st June. Seats are filling fast, please join soon and get ahead in your competition, okay. And next coming to EAP set, be it for BPC stream and also MPC stream, it is starting from 28th May and also 1st June, that is batch 1 and batch 2. Also one thing you must understand that when it comes to day scholars you can come directly here and attend the classes offline. Also we are providing online classes also that you can join through our app, that is MedWorld. Of course, if you people want to attend offline, those who are not from Hyderabad, please do come attend offline and join the hostels which are run by us itself, okay. That hostel facility is provided by us both for boys and girls separately, alright. Next coming to TGEP set, already results have come. Those who have not performed well or those who want to improve their rank, please join the course, okay. You will reap maximum benefits because you are having 1 year at hand and you can prepare really well. Next coming to foundation, highly important course. Out of all the course, the course which I say is highly important is 6th to 10th students. For those school students 6th to 10th, please avail this course and prepare well. It's not just we are providing subject classes, be it for physics, chemistry, maths, biology, also we are providing foundation classes, okay, foundation classes. Already you must have seen our shorts, how foundation classes will be helpful in NEET and JEE, okay. If not, please watch the shorts done by our foundation faculties, it will be very useful for you, okay. So foundation classes are highly important for school students if you want to do well in your intermediate when it comes to boards, also for competitive exams like NEET and JEE. Next coming to JEE long term course, that is our course when it comes to MPC students, it is starting from 20 May first batch and also second batch from June 1st, and we are also providing complete study material expertly curated by us, okay. It will include practice questions, DPPs, and also it will also include all the previous year questions, okay. Next when it comes to this, okay, all the experienced faculty will be solving the doubts for you when it comes to Telegram channel, and also the faculty will be solving all the PYQs pertaining to each chapter, okay. Paper wise also will solve the PYQs and also chapter wise also, be it for JEE mains and JEE advanced, okay. So you have only limited time when it comes to JEE students because you are having almost 6 months, okay, because you are going to apply or you are going to appear in JEE mains 2026, that is in January, that is first session, that is first shift, okay. So please make sure you join this course, okay. And I highly recommend this course for MPC students because same thing I can tell for NEET students. If you prepare for NEET, you can appear for various other exams that will be explained by our BPC faculties when they are taking the classes, respective classes. Now when it comes to MPC students, if you join NEET for MPC students, not NEET, sorry, if you join JEE classes, what are the benefits that you can get? You can by joining JEE classes, you will get free access to EAP set classes also. By joining one course, you will be able to avail multiple courses. That is, you will be able to attend multiple exams. That is, one is TG or AP EAP set. These are the courses which will be freely accessible to you if you join one course, that is JEE course. Next is, you will be able to access KSET classes and also PYQs done for KSET and also COMET-K. This is a private entrance exam for entering into engineering stream and also other streams. This both is available for both BPC and MPC students. Even this is for both BPC and MPC students. Alright, next coming to other college entrance exams like, you can say university entrance exams like CUET. Next is Vellore Institute of Technology, that is VIT, EEE. Okay, these exams you can write. Okay, also very reputed exams like BITSAT, ISER, that is ISER is connecting ISER aptitude test, where you will be getting integrated masters also along with bachelors, ISER exam. Next is, you will be able to write NDA exam, that is if you are in the age group of 16 to 19, if your PCM is strong, and general studies, anyways you can study by yourself or you can access our parent channel or whatever. Let us see, I will explain about that later. So that is NDA, also you can access for PCM classes. So that's why JEE, because PCM is coming at the level of JEE. Okay, that is why it is important to join NDA classes. Okay, NDA, I mean JEE classes will help you for NDA exam also. So these are all the things, these are the exams which you can appear if you join this one. What if you join JEE long term course? Okay, there are various other exams. As of now, you can attend these exams. Okay, if you prepare for JEE very well. Got it, friends? So these are all the things I wanted to inform you. This is highly important information, because if you join one course, you will be able to avail all the benefits of other courses also. We will be solving PYQs of all these courses, and also particular classes required for that exam will be held, and you can be easily able to access those classes even in offline and online also. Next, coming to our class. So we had stopped at differentiability. So now let us continue with that. Okay, we had explained what is differentiation and all these things. Now let us continue with differentiability. We will solve some questions and we will see method of differentiation. Okay, already I explained the method of differentiation. Okay, I explained about product rule, quotient rule, addition rule, all these things, and also very important chain rule, friends. So let us see some questions that is being asked. So this is a question that is asked in JEE 2023. This appears like a tricky question, but it is actually easy to solve if you simplify the question, friends. So look at this, they have given sine cube pi by 3 into cos of something. They are asking which of the following is correct. Let y is equal to, okay, so let us write this as f of x is equal to sine cube pi by 3 into this entire thing, I will write it as what? Let this entire thing, let me write only this much, not entire thing. This entire thing, let me write it as whatever is within the innermost bracket, I will write it as g of x. This entire thing I will write it as g of x. So this will become what, friends? Pi by 3 into cos of g of x. This will become cos of g of x. Okay, cos of g of x, this will become. So what we have? Now we have, what is g of x? G of x is equal to what, friends? So this g of x is equal to whatever is within the bracket, that is nothing but equal to what? That is nothing but equal to minus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 1 to the power of 3 by 2, Now if I differentiate this, first let me find out f dash of x. Okay, let me find out f dash of x. Actually they are asking f of 1 and g of 1. That means we have to find the value of this at f of 1 and g of 1. Let us see what can be done. Now see here, question is incomplete. Actually we have to find f of 1 and g of 1, f dash of 1 and g dash of 1 to find this. So let us see. So this will become what, friends? F dash of x will become what? So sine cube of something is there, that is nothing but chain rule, 3 sine square of something, whatever is there. Okay, pi by 3 into cos of gx. Next, so sine square, 3 sine square something, and derivative of sine is what? That is nothing but cos. So cos of pi by 3 into cos of g of x. Okay, cos of g of x. Okay, now what is there inside? So 3 sine square something, derivative of sine is cos. Now inside what we have? Inside what we have? Cos we have. Okay, 3 sine square something, derivative of sine is cos. Now whatever is inside we have to differentiate. So inside it is what? Pi by 3 cos of something. So cos of something is nothing but sine of something. So this will become minus pi by 3 into sine of g of x. Okay, sine of g of x. Is it done? Is it done? No, friends, still g of x is there. So differential of g of x is nothing but g dash of x. It is nothing but g dash of x. Okay, this is what we get. So this will be This is what we get. This is nothing but f dash of x. This is nothing but f dash of x. Now, if I find g dash of x, so if I have to find g dash of x, what I can do? I can put here g dash of x is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. First I should write 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2 into, this will be equal to 3 by 2 into minus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 1. Okay. Now, whatever is within the bracket we have to differentiate. So, this will become minus 12x square plus 10x. That's it. Minus 12x square plus 10x. This is what I get. Now, I got f of x, I got f dash of x. Now, wherever g dash of x is there, I have to put this value. I have to put this value. But before that, let me find out what is f of 1. So, f of 1 is what? F of 1 is cos of g of 1. First, let me find what is g of x and g of 1 and g dash of 1. G of 1 is nothing but equal to what? G of 1 is nothing but equal to minus 4 plus 5 plus 1. So, minus 4 plus 5 plus 1. So, that is nothing but equal to 2 to the power of 3 by 2. So, 2 to the power of 3 by 2 I can write it as what? 2 root 2. 2 to the power of 3 by 2 I can write it as 2 root 2. What about g dash of x? So, g dash of x is equal to, if you have g dash of not x, you should write it as g dash of 1. G dash of x already we got it. So, g dash of 1 will be equal to what? G dash of 1 will be equal to 3 by 2 and I have to put the value of 1. So, 3 by 2, this will be, if I bring 3 by 2 here, this will be 3 by 2 minus 1. So, this will become 3 by 2 minus 1 will be, it will become 1 by 2. This you have to remember. So, this will become what, friends? So, this will become inside whatever is there, 3 by 2 into what is this? Minus 4 plus 5. This will be 2 to the power of 1 by 2. So, this will be root 2. Okay. This will be root 2 plus root 2 not plus into. This is 12 into 1 plus 10. This will be minus 2. This will be minus 2. So, what I can do? This 2 I can cancel. I will get it as what, friends? Minus 3 root 2. I will get it as minus 3 root 2. Now, I got g dash of 1. Now, let me find f dash of 1. F dash of 1 if I have to find out. So, let me put here f dash of 1 is nothing but equal to what? F dash of 1 is nothing but equal to what? Let me find here. So, f dash of 1 is this much. So, f dash of 1 is nothing but equal to 3 sine square, or let me find first what? F of 1. Let me find first f of 1. Instead of f dash of x, f dash of 1, let me find first f of 1. F of 1 is equal to what? F of 1 is equal to, so sine cube pi by 3 cos of g of x. Cos of g of x is, that is nothing but g of 1, cos of 2 root 2. So, cos of 2 root 2 you will get it. Okay. Cos of 2 root 2 you will get it. G of 1 is nothing but cos of 2 root 2. So, cos of 2 root 2 you can write it as what? G of 1 is cos of 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So, I will put the value here, cos of 2 root 2. So, f of 1 is sine cube pi by 3 into cos of 2 root 2 into cos of 2 root 2. Okay. Cos of 2 root 2 you will get it. Now, sine cube into pi by 3 into cos of 2 root 2 you will get it. Now, if I put f dash of 1, what I will get it, friends? If I put f dash of 1, I will get it as 3 sine square pi by 3 into cos of g of x is cos of 2 root 2 into cos of pi by 3 into cos of g of x is cos of 2 root 2 into minus pi by 3 into sine of g of x is minus pi by 3 into sine of g of x is nothing but what? G of x is nothing but g of x or g of 1 is nothing but 2 root 2. I will write it as 2 root 2. Next, g dash of 1 is nothing but equal to what? Minus 3 root 2. Okay. Now, if I simplify this and if I put the value here, okay, just simplification you have to do. If I put the value here, I will get the answer as option C. That simplification you have to do it by yourself. You can do it by yourself. Okay. So, if I do it, f of 1, I will get it as actually 2 pi by 3. Okay. This I can write it as what? Pi minus pi by 3. Okay. F of 1. So, what about f dash of 1? I will get it as what? Actually, f dash of 1, I will get it as what? F dash of 1, I will get it as actually minus pi. If I cancel, okay, I will get it as minus pi. Not f dash of 1, actually g dash of 1. Okay. Okay, that is correct. This will get it as minus pi if I put the value. So, if I put the values here, you will get the answer as option C. That is it, friends. So, whatever this is nested loop, just like a nested loop. So, that is whatever is inside you have to put the value. Okay, whatever is inside you have to put the value as g of x and then solve the question then it will become very simple. Directly if you solve, it will become very tedious. Got it, friends? So you should be careful while finding f of 1, f dash of 1, g of 1 and g dash of 1. That's it. So another important announcement will be starting with when it comes to JEE mathematics. Okay, be it for KSET, EAP set, all these things will be starting one question a day series. Okay, shortly, where we will be solving one question in just 5 minutes to 10 minutes, where you can focus really well and get the concepts clear. Okay, that will be really helpful for you, and it will be done almost every day. Okay, all right, friends. So let us move to the next one. Now, differentiation of implicit functions. What do you mean by implicit? It is not told directly or it is not told explicitly. Implicit means x and y are together and they are not separated. Okay, at that time you cannot separate and integrate them or separate and differentiate them. You have to differentiate them together. Okay, how to differentiate that? That is, if it is given like a khichdi, okay, you have to cannot keep separating the things that are there in the khichdi. You have to eat it as it is. Okay, then that is the meaning of differentiation of implicit function. If there is nothing but if an equation x and y both occurs together, f of x comma y is equal to 0, and this equation cannot be solved either for f of y or f of x, okay, or okay, is called implicit function of x or y. Okay, implicit function of x or y, that is simple basic definition. We need not to worry about that. So let us see the question. Okay, let us see the question and solve this. Actually, for implicit function, we also have a shortcut method. We will be doing it in shorts, but anyways, I will tell you now itself how to do the question using shortcut method. So let us start, friends. This question, look at this, they are given x square plus 2xy plus y cube is equal to 4. Find dy by dx. So if I differentiate this directly, this will be 2x. Okay, this will be, I have to apply UV rule. So this will be 2y plus 2x into y, differential of y is dy by dx. Okay, because they are asking dy by dx plus y cube is square, this is 3y square into what is this? What is this? Y square, 3y square, is it done? But we have to write it here as dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 4 means differential of constant is 0. Now we have to bring all the dy by dx terms one side, other terms to the RHS. So this will become what? Dy by dx into 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to minus 2x minus 2 times x plus y, or I can write it as minus 2x plus 2y. Okay, this will become what, friends? Minus 2x minus 2y. This is what we will get, or if I bring it, if I take minus outside, this will become this much. Okay, so divided by, if I send this down, this will become what? Dy by dx is equal to minus 2x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y square. 2x plus 3y square. This is how you get the answer. This is how you get the answer. This is the conventional method. Now let me tell the shortcut method. Okay, that is method 2, second method, which we will be using partial differentiation. Partial differentiation in some topics of JEE you must be needing it, and when it comes to engineering, definitely partial differentiation is one of the pillars when it comes to engineering mathematics. So definitely partial differentiation, you have to learn the basics. So partial differentiation, I will tell you now how to do it. Okay, partial differentiation. Okay, I am not telling partial differentiation, but we will be using partial differentiation to get the answer for implicit differentiation question, that is shortcut. Okay, so if you have to find, suppose they have given the function, okay, if you have to find dy by dx here, they are asking what dy by dx here, right? So for that you have to write as dou y by dou x by dou y, okay, dou x by dou y, okay, dou x by dou y, dou x is nothing but equal to what? Partial differentiation of x. Dou y is nothing but what? Partial differentiation of y. So what do you mean by dou x? Dou x means you will integrate, you will differentiate keeping y as constant. You will treat y as constant. Okay, dou x means you will treat y as constant. Dou y means you will treat x as constant. Okay, you will treat x as constant. Dou x is you will treat y as constant. Dou y means you will treat x as constants. Okay, so some questions we are not doing complete solution or complete explanation, because I want you to try by yourself certain calculations, because you will do the mistake in calculation error. I want you to try, then come back to us. Okay, so this is nothing but equal to what? Dou x. Dou x is dou x, where you will differentiate keeping y as constant. Dou y you will differentiate keeping x as constant. So you should be careful. It is dy by dx, then it is not dou y by dou x. It is nothing but dou x by dou x by dou y. That is, it is inverse. Dy by dx is equal to, okay, dou y by dou x by dou y. Dy by dx is equal to dou x by dou y. That is del x by del y. That also they can say dou y or dou x or dou y. So dy by dx is equal to, it is reverse, its inverse, that is dou x by dou y. So let us see dou x by dou y for x square plus 2x plus y cube. So I have to treat y as constant to find dou x. So this will become what? X square will become 2x. All right, we have to include minus sign. Okay, we have to include minus sign in the shortcut. So this will become minus, let me write it inside. So 2xy is there, 2xy, y constant means I have to write 2y, okay, and y constant means this will become 0, this will become 0, so I need not write it. So divided by minus 4 will be there, so divided by, we have to don't write that, okay, because 4 is constant, it will become 0, divided by dou y means you have to treat again, differentiate the same thing, treating dou y means you treat x as constant, this will become 0, this will become, x will be constant, this will remain 2x, okay, 2x, and you have to differentiate y cube, you have to differentiate y cube means it will become plus 3y square, plus 3y square. So this is the answer. So this is same as this, okay, but we got it in single step because we are using shortcut, that is partial differentiation. So dy by dx is equal to dou x by dou y. Is it clear, friends? Okay, so while finding dou x, I am repeating again, you have to treat y as constant, well, that is ulta, okay, x means y constant. While finding dou y, you have to treat x as constant, okay, that's it. Next one, derivative of parametric functions. Derivative of parametric functions means parametric functions are nothing but, here we will use something called common friend. We will say something called common friend, okay. Suppose I want to tell something to person B, but person C, I am person A, person C is my friend, and person C is a friend of B. I'll tell to C and C will tell to B. That is the meaning of common friend. Suppose you have to find dy by dx, first you will find dy by dt, and then you will find dx by dt, and then you will divide. Okay, here who is the friend? The function t is the friend between y and x. Got it, friends? That is the meaning of parametric function. Some function x and y separately given as function of a single variable t called a parameter. Parameter here means it is a common friend. Okay, that is x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So f dash of t by g dash of t. And here it is very important that you have to focus here. Okay, so one mistake that you will do here is, suppose they give, okay, d square y by dx square. What students will do is, they will do d square x by d square y by dt square, d square y by dt square, and d square x by dt square. This is what? This is completely wrong. This is completely wrong, friend. This is completely wrong. So you must be alert here. This is completely wrong. This is not the way. So you have to find, if you have to find d square y by dx square, so this is the method we have to find. So this is the method. So you have to find d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square. It is given by what, friends? You have to find d by dx of dy by dx, okay, d by dx of dy by dx into what you will find, into dt by dx, into dt by dx. So d by dx of dy by dx into dt by dx. It is not dx by dt into dt by dx. That is inverse of dx by dt, that is dt by dx. First you find the double differentiation. So first of all, please find dy by dx. Then you differentiate again. Then you will get what? D square by dx square. That is, you will get it, and you have to multiply that by, very important, dt by dx. So that is what is given here. See here, that is d by dx of dy by dx. That is d by dt of dy by dx into dt by dx. Into dt by dx, you have to find it. Okay, that is the meaning of how to find double differentiation. So let us solve some questions. You will understand then. Okay, that mistake, the alert which I told, you should be careful. So they are given, if x is equal to 3 tan t and y is equal to 3 secant t, then the value of d square by dx square at t is equal to pi by 4 they are asking. So dy by dx is nothing but equal to what? Dy by dx is nothing but equal to dy by dt. Okay, I am writing these steps for your understanding, no need to write these steps actually, dx by dt. So this can be written as what, friends? Dy by dt can be written as what? Dy is nothing but 3 secant t. So 3 secant t will become what? 3 secant t will become 3 secant t tan t. And what about 3 tan t? It will become 3 secant square t. 3 secant square t. 3 cancels, secant cancels. So you will have sin by cos. Okay, sin by cos, and secant will be, you will have 1 by, you will have area what? Secant, if I write it in terms of cos, this will become 1 by cos t. It will cancel. You will have only sin t. Okay, we will have only sin t. Now we got dy by dx. So dy by dx, what we got, friends? Sin t. Now I have to find d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is, I have to write, d square y by dx square is, I have to write, I have to differentiate sin t again. Differentiate sin t means I will get cos t into, I have to write dt by dx. Okay, dt by dx. I got dx by dt as 3 secant square t. So dt by dx is nothing but equal to what? Cos t into dt by dx is nothing but equal to what? So dx by dt is 3 secant square t. dt by dx will be 1 by 3 secant square t. 1 by 3 secant square t. So that is equal to what, friends? Secant, if I convert to cos, this will become cos cube t. That is secant, if it goes up, it will become cos square. Cos square into cos is cos cube t divided by 3. Okay, so d square y by dx square. Okay, at what is JEE Main 2019 question, very simple question. At x is equal to what is it? At x is equal to pi by 4. They have asked to test the concept of your this one. This one you must be remembering. That is why there you do the mistake. To test this concept whether you know or not, they have asked this question. It's a very simple question. So if I put t is equal to pi by 4, this will become cos cube pi by 4, cos cube pi by 4 by 3, you will get it. So cos cube pi by 4 by 3. So that I can write it as what? So cos cube pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2 whole cube, 1 by root 2 whole cube. So this will become 1 by root 2 whole cube by 3. So this will become what, friends? Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this will become what? 1 by 2 into 3 into root 2. So I will get it as 1 by 6 root 2, friends. The answer is option B. The answer is option B. So very important step here is the basic differentiation you will understand. The very important step here is d square by dx square. You will differentiate this again, and again you have to write multiply by, it is not dx by dt, it is dt by dx. This you must be focusing. Okay, very important step. Next thing. Otherwise you will not have any problem in such questions. Let us see some more questions on parametric differentiation. Now they have given x of t is equal to 2 root 2 cos 2t, cos t sin 2t, and yt is equal to 2 root 2 sin t into sin root t, where t belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Then they are asking this at t is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so let us see this. So let me find out first. Let me find out dx by dt. They are asking dy by dx first. So to find dy by dx, I have to find dy by dt, and then I have to find dx by dt. Okay, so let me find out first, instead of dx by dt, let me find out first what dy by dt. Dy by dt, let me find out. So dy by dt, y of t is given as what, friends? Y of t is given as 2 root 2 sin t and square root of sin 2t, square root of sin 2t. So if I differentiate that, I have to use what? I have to use product rule. So this 2 root 2, I will take it outside. Okay, this 2 root 2, I will take it outside, or let it be there. Let it be outside. So 2 root 2, let it be outside. This will become what? 2 root 2 into what is this? Sin t will become cos t into root sin t, root sin 2t, plus sin t will remain as it is. Derivative of sin 2t is nothing but what? 1 by 2 root sin 2t, and derivative of sin 2t is 2 times cos 2t, 2 times cos 2t. So 2 cancels. So what I will get, friends? So what I will get? Here I will get 2 root 2 into, if I take LCM, this will become cos t sin 2t plus cos 2 sin t plus sin t cos 2t. So this is nothing but equal to what? Sin a cos b cos a sin b. Sin a cos b cos a sin b is nothing but equal to what? I will write it here, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, friends. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b. So we will get here, it is what? 2 root 2 sin of a plus b sin 2t plus t is nothing but sin 3t. We will get it as sin 3t. Okay, dy by dt, you will get it as sin 3t. Similarly, if I do dx by dt, you will get it in same way, but instead of, because there also it is sin square root of sin 2t only, but instead of sin we have cos t. So you need not do again, you can apply the logic. Here you will, instead of, you got it sin 3t, there instead of sin 3t you will get it as what, friends? You will get it as dx by dt, you will get it as what, friends? Applying the logic, you can find it as 2 root 2 into cos 3t, you will get it, you will get it as cos 3t. Now what happens to dy by dx? So dy by dx will become what? So here only if I cancel dy by dx, so dy by dx, it will become what? Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dx by dt, that is 2 root 2 cancels. I will get it as what? Tan root 3. I will get it as tan 3t. I will get it as tan 3t. They are asking what again? They are asking d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is nothing but, again I should write d square y by dx square is nothing but equal to, I should differentiate tan 3t. Tan 3t, if I differentiate, what I will get, friends? 3 secant square 3t into dt by dx. Into dt by dx is nothing but what? dt by dx is 1 by 2 root 2 cos 3t. 1 by 2 root 2 cos 3t. 1 by 2 root 2 cos 3t, I will get it. Okay, 1 by 2 root 2 cos 3t, I will get it. So that is nothing but equal to what? That is nothing but equal to, if I send cos 3t upside, it will become what? Cos 3t to the top, if I send it, it will become 3 by 2 root 2 into secant power 4 3t. Secant power 4 3t, this is nothing but equal to d square y by dx square, we get it. D square y by dx square, we will get it. But what they are asking, this is 2022 question, this is little lengthy, but it's a very simple question if you know parametric differentiation. They are asking this value 1 plus dy by dx square or d square by dx square at t is equal to pi by 4. So if I at t is equal to pi by 4, what will happen to dy by dt? Dy by dt at t is equal to pi by 4, this will become tan 3 pi by 4. Okay, tan 3 pi by 4, the value is minus 1. I have always told you pi by 4 is 1, 3 pi by 4 is minus 1, 5 pi by 4 is 1 plus 1, and 7 pi by 4 is minus 1, and 9 pi by 4 is 1. Like that, it will oscillate between 1 and minus 1. So 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. Now d square over dx square at t is equal to pi by 4, what it will become? So this will become 3 by 2 root 2 into secant power 4 into 3 pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4 is nothing but equal to what? Even for secant it will be minus. So this will become what, friends? 3 by 2 root 2 into minus 1 to the power of minus 1 to the power of what it is? Actually secant is there, right? So it will become 3 pi by 4. So secant 3 pi by 4 is nothing but equal to what? So secant 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, 3 pi by 4 means it is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 to the power of 4 will get us what? Minus 1 by root 2 to the power of 4. Okay, this will get it as what? This will get it as equal to 3 by 2 root 2, 3 by 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2, not 1 by root 2, secant is there, right? It will become root 2. Okay, minus root 2, because it is not cos, it is not cos. So this will become what, friends? This will become minus root 2 to the power of 4, minus root 2 to the power of 4. Root 2, if you make it to the power of 4, you will get it as minus into minus into minus into minus, it will become plus itself, and because it is even, the power is even, and root 2 into root 2 up to 4 times will give us 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2. Okay, so this will give us 2 cancels, and this will get it as what? Minus 3, this root 2 I can write it as 2, I can write it as root 2 into root 2, so I will get it as minus 3 root 2, I will get it as minus 3 root 2. Okay, I will got d square over dx square as minus 3 root 2. Now if I put the values here, so 1 plus dy by dx square, dy by dx whole square, this is minus 1 square is nothing but 1, divided by d square y by dx square, this is nothing but equal to minus 3 root 2. So I will get it as what, friend? 2 by minus 3 root 2. Okay, 2 by minus 3 root 2, this is nothing but equal to what? 2 by minus 3 root 2. Actually here 2 root 2 is there, so this is to the power of 4, root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So this will become what, friends? This 3 root 2, actually 2 and 2 cancels, and here we will have what? Let us see. By 2 root 2 is there, and this 2 root 2 will be there, and if I cancel this, here I will get it as what? Here I will get it as, actually here I will get it as, here I will get it as, if I cancel this, this will be minus 3 by 2 root 2, and 2 to the power of 4 will be 2 into 2, okay, 2 and 2 cancels. So actually this will be secant power 3, this will be cos 3, so this if it goes up, this will become to the power of 4. Actually again this root 2 and this 2 will cancel, not root, this will actually be 2 root 2, so I will get the answer as minus 3. I will get the answer, if you calculate, you will get the answer as minus 3. If I put the value, actually here it will not be root 2, it will be just minus 3. If I put the value, I will get it as 1 plus 1 divided by what it is? It is nothing but minus 3, this will be minus 2 by 3. It will be minus 2 by 3, that is option is answer D, that is option D. Okay, the answer is option D. JEE Main 2022 questions, that is minus 2 by 3. This will be doing in long sessions like how we are doing now, and also in one question a day. That series will be starting. We will be solving all these questions in a much simplified way and also in a much specific way. Got it, friends? So that will be very useful for you. One question a day where we will be solving very important questions when it comes to JEE Mains, EAP set and K set. Okay, so that's it about this question. Let us move to the next one. Okay, differentiation of logarithmic functions. So differentiation of logarithmic functions, when we talk about differentiation of logarithmic functions, when you are done for board exams also, whenever log comes you will take, okay, whenever log comes or log comes you will take to the, whenever the power of a function is a power of another function, you will take log, that is f of x to the power of g of x is there, you will take log on both sides and you will solve the question. Okay, that is what is given here in a simplified way. You can remember this if you want. Okay, if you can by heart this or remember this, whatever you want, you can do with this. But I don't want you to do by heart. Actually, you can solve it directly by applying log. Okay, let us see some questions for logarithmic differentiation. They have given y is equal to x to the power of x to the power of infinity. Actually, this we will solve in shortcut method. Okay, square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x up to infinity. How to solve that question? Or square root of f of x into square root of f of x into square root of, there it was plus, here it is product. How to solve such questions? I will tell you in shortcut when we tell about shortcuts when it comes to differentiation. As of now, we are talking shortcuts when it comes to integration. This also we can solve in shortcut in just 5 seconds. But let us see the conventional method here. I will not tell you about the shortcut, I will do it in the shorts. So please follow the channel for shorts as well. So this will become x to the power of infinity. I'll write it as y. I'll apply log on both sides. So log y is equal to y times log x. Okay. So if I differentiate both sides, this will become 1 by y into dy by dx. This will be y by x. Okay. Plus dy by dx into log x. Dy by dx into log x. Okay. Dy by dx into log x. So if I bring dy by dx terms one side, I'll get it as what? Dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx minus 1 dy by dx. This will become what, friends? Dy by dx into 1 by y minus log x is equal to y by x. This is what I get. Now, if I bring this down, what I'll get? If I bring this down, I'll get it as what? If I bring this down or to RHS, I'll get it as what, friends? I'll get it as dy by dx is equal to y by x, okay, into 1 by y, or I can write it as 1 minus y log x by y. Okay, this y will go up, it will become what? Dy by dx is equal to y square by x into 1 minus y log x. This is the answer to this question. Friends. Okay, this is the answer to this question. This is the conventional method, but when you do the shortcuts, you will get it in just 5 seconds, the answer. Okay, so please follow the shorts as well. Let us move to the next one. Okay, they were given g of x is equal to x power x, x is positive. Okay, there are then f dash of 2 is minus 2 times y dash of 2 is equal to what they are asking. So let us find y dash and also y double dash. Okay, that is not f dash, y double dash. So they were given what it is, they were given y of x, that is not g of x, y of x. So let me write it as y of x is given as what? It is given as x power x. So y dash of x is nothing but equal to what? Y dash of x is equal to, I have to apply log on both sides. Let me write it as just y. Okay, let me write it as just y. Y is equal to x power x. Apply log on both sides, I will get log y is equal to x into log x. Okay, now if I differentiate by with respect to y, this is with respect to x, this will become 1 by y into dy by dx. Here I have to apply product rule, this will become log x plus x by x. Derivative of x is 1 by x, x and x cancels. So this will become what, friends? Dy by dx is equal to y times, y is nothing but equal to what? X power x is nothing but equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. X power x into 1 plus log x. This is what we got for dy by dx. This is nothing but equal to what, friends? Y dash. Okay, y dash. Now we have to find y double dash, that is d square y by dx square. Here you will not multiply by dt by dx. Anyways you don't have, because this is just normal differentiation. This is not parametric. So this will become what? If I apply product rule here, it will become x power x into 1 plus log x is nothing but equal to what? 1 by x. Okay. 1 is nothing but it will become 0. So this will become what, friends? 1 by x, okay, plus x power x. Again if I differentiate, this will become x power x dash, okay, x power x dash into, because I have to differentiate again, into 1 plus log x, okay. X power x dash is nothing but equal to what? That is y dash. Y dash is nothing but equal to what? What we got? Y dash is nothing but equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. So this will become equal to what, friends? So d square y by dx square will be equal to d square y by dx square equal to x power x. This x, if I bring it up, this will become x power x minus 1 plus this will be x power x dash is nothing but equal to x power x. Okay, x power x dash is nothing but equal to x power x into 1 plus log x into log x into 1 plus log x. This will become 1 plus log x whole square. Okay, now they are asking it, we have to find y dash of 2, y double dash of 2 minus 2y dash of 2. So this is nothing but equal to what? This is nothing but equal to y double dash. So let us find out y double dash of 2. So let me write the equation and then see. Okay, y dash of 2 minus 2y dash of 2. So y dash of 2 is nothing but equal to what? So I have to apply 2 wherever it is. So this will become what? Y dash of 2 is 2 power 2 minus 1 is 2 itself. So 2 power 2 into 1 plus log 2, 1 plus log 2 whole square, 1 plus log 2 whole square minus 2 times y dash of 2. 2 times y dash of 2 is y dash is this one. So, this will be 2 times into 2 power 2 into what is this 1 plus log 2 into 1 plus log 2. So, here what it will become, friends? So, this will become 2 is there, here 1 plus log 2, 1 plus log 2 is there. So, let me take 1 plus log 2 common and 2 power 2 common. So, 2 plus 2 square into 1 plus log 2, okay, into common, this will become 1 plus log 2, 1 plus log 2 minus 2. So, this will become what, friends? This will become 2 into 2 plus 2 square is nothing but 4, 4 into 1 plus log 2, 1 plus log 2 into what is this minus 2 plus 1, it will become log 2 minus 1. So, this will become log 2 minus 1. Now, I have log 2 plus 1, log 2 minus 1, that is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, this will become what, friends? A plus b into a minus b, this will become a minus b whole square, correct? No, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So, this will become 2 into 4 times 1 minus log 2 square, okay, log 2 square, okay. So, this will become what, friends? 2 plus 1 minus log 2 square. So, if I multiply by 4, I will get it as 2 plus 4 minus, this is what? Minus 4 log 2, log 4, okay. So, this will become what? 2 plus 4, this will become 6, okay, this will become 6, or I can write it as what? 4 log to the power of whole square, or I can write it as what? 4 log 2, okay. If I bring 2 this side, this will become, if I bring 2 this side, this will become what, friend? This will become what? 2 this side, 8 log 2, 8 log 2 plus 2, or 4 log 2 plus 2. Let us see what is the option. 4 log 2 whole square, okay, whole square is there, this whole square won't come, and 4 log 2 whole square plus 2, it won't come, okay, 4 log 2 plus 2 whole square, it won't come. So, let us see. So, 2 plus 4, okay, actually it is not 2 plus 4, it is, this should become, let us see, this is minus is there. So, minus 2, okay, minus 2, this if it become minus 2, this will become minus 2 into 1. So, this will become minus 2 into 1, minus 2 will become, so this will become minus 2 again, okay. No, this is correct itself. So, if you solve this, okay, if you simplify this, you will get it as what? You will get it as 8 log 2 minus 2, 8 log 2 minus 2, okay, 8 log 2 minus 2, this is simplification you have to see here, okay, that the answer you will get it as 8 log 2 minus 2, the answer is option A. I hope it is clear to you, okay. We will solve this again when we do one question in my NEET series, okay. Alright, friends, got it? This is how you solve this question, okay. 8 log 2 minus 2, don't worry about the answer, focus on the approach when it comes to logarithmic functions. So, again I would like to reiterate about what I told. So, we are having a Telegram channel, please join the Telegram channel, the link to which will be provided after the class or in the description of the video. And also, if you join for NEET, okay, NEET crash course, not crash course, NEET long term course, you will be able to access, BPC students can be accessing TG AP set classes, AP set classes, and also other BPC exams which you can write, like what ICAR, ICMR, all these things, and also BitSat. Now, not BitSat, maybe it is for MPC students. Now, when it comes to MPC students, if you join JEE long term course, you will be able to access the classes for AP set, TG AP set, and also other courses, that is for CUET, CUET for even for BPC students, and CUET and also KSET. COMEDK, this is for even BPC and MPC students, and also VIT exam, Weller Institute, and also Manipal entrance exam, and also other entrance exam like BitSat, ISER, okay, also NDA exam where PCM will be covered. So, this is the benefit by joining one course, you will be able to access so many other courses, and also you will be having again opportunity, or you will be well prepared to attend other exams which will propel your career. That is it, friends. Thank you so much. Okay, let us meet in the next session. Take care.